Ready for the road? Ready for the road? Ty?
Yes.
Sarah? Ready for the road? Yeah. Wow, who's that?
It's Sarah.
It's Sarah.
Whoa.
Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here and we are heading out at the beginning of today's vlog. We're heading out in town today. Today there should be Christmas parades happening in town and there is the Christmas market that I've been dying to go to. Yeah, I love going to the Christmas market every single year. So this year will be no different. So I'll be taking you guys along with me as we go to the supermarket, not the supermarket, that we go to the Christmas market and to the parade in town. Hopefully the parade will be good. It's been the first time going to the parade because they don't normally have a parade. So anyway, enjoy today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the family. Catch up and keep up with us. And of course, we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the vlog. The husband is somewhere around here, spinning and turning. He's acting like how we would normally act. But y'all know that is always on time, right? And I don't like the running around. So I take my time, get ready to leave out on time. He's here, spinning and twisting and turning. I don't even know where he is right now. Babe? Huh?
No, but you are still on the video.
I am still on the video. I'm waiting on you. Honey, you switch phone you plug in. So where's the other phone? He don't even know where his phone is. Can you say hello?
Hi guys, good morning,
You
good
see-
afternoon, good morning. Yes, I'm in a rush. She tried to stress me, no stress. I'm fine. Go in advance, okay?
Go for your phone and let's go. Be ready. Cause you know me not like wait. Oh my god, he's a mess.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Yes? You so see him. She asking for Santa Claus. Alright you guys, we are in town, center town for the parade, and there's lots and lots and lots of people out here.
And no one that I know.
No one that you know? You're not gonna see anyone that you know. We're trying to find where to stay for the parade and then we're gonna head to the Christmas market, but there's lots of people out here. Can you see the streets? That way and the opposite direction, people as far as the eyes can see. It's walking to see where to park up for the parade. Because I want to get a front row view to everything that is going to pass. And as you guys can see, people just walking along the street trying to figure out where to go, where not to go. But I think the parade is gonna come from down this way, so that's why I'm heading this direction. Wow! You see that, Sarah? Working the routine, you know? Okay, we're inside the Christmas market. We made it in. We made it to the Christmas market. Stand up. I'm trying to catch the wheel, but I can't.
The other side.
Mama,
Yes,
we can touch stars when we're on the top.
maybe. Ah, this is what I always looking for. But you see the prices? It's real stones. They look nice, don't it?
And it's not expensive.
Uh-huh.
It's
Go,
not
go, go, go.
expensive at all.
Yes, it is expensive.
But €9 is not expensive.
Yeah. But for one little something like that, yes, if it was for something big like this for €9, okay. But little like, okay, see that, put the tree in the middle. Not a lot of things this year, probably because them turn it around. You want to ride a horse?
I don't want to.
You don't want to? So I'm sure Sarah would like.
I do like it, but I don't want to.
Okay. Oh, the horse line long. Wow, you want to do that one, Sarah? Tyler?
Yes.
Okay, Taiwan do Christmas tree. Hi. Hello. Hi. Sit beside Tai Tai. Hello. Oh, hello. Hi. It's about to stop. Wait, wait, wait. Ready? Yeah. Beaucoup de colère, elle est capable de me faire coucou.
Sont ensemble les maths, t'as vu?
Look at her jerking. C'est pomme de terre. Attends, c'est chaud. Wait. Chaud, cheese, cream. Shh. The one with the bacon look good. There's cheese, and more cheese, and more cheese. It's like a raclette. Blue cheese. Come, let's go find food. Churros. Wow, look at the churros line. No, let's go. Come, let's go find food. Stuffed toy shop. You have food shop. Some of the food shops so long. Ooh, look at that. Chocolate, everything. Personalized jewelry over there.
Canada.
Come. Yeah, we're gonna find food, okay? Sarah, put your finger on your mouth. Look, the food. Stop it.
Last time we had go Quebec and Canada.
Come, Ty, hold on to me. Come, Sarah. Come. Look over there. Food. Wow. The lines are unbelievable. Look at those lines, you guys, for food. I'm talking about. Bonsoir, une portion de soca, s'il vous plaît. Oui.
3,50 €.
Soca, look at it.
We already started the new.
Merci. Da. Go ahead. Va chercher papa. Hi. They're in this big thing that they go in every year. Look at them. And Sarah keeping up with Tyler now. Look at her climbing. Look at that. She gone. I remember gone are the days when I wish she and Ty could do this together. Well, there you go.
Marilou.
Attention.
Nino. Montagne.
Oui.
S'il gagne la France, et après il va jouer contre le Maroc.
Ah oui, oula.
Le Maroc, il va rester.
Oui, c'est la première fois à Maroc.
La France?
Oui, c'est la première fois il venait à la finale, la demi-finale. Wow! Morocco, the people and the Moroccans here is going crazy since they won they beat Portugal. There's fireworks everywhere. Craziness happening throughout the city right now. You can hear it and smell the smoke of the Moroccans celebrating. But that's amazing though. The first time they're reaching the semi-final, that's a big achievement. And I know the kids are here having a bunch of fun. Babe is gone to buy churros for us because the line for the churros is ridiculous. We can't stay in the line and let the kids have fun at the same time. So we're here exploring the Christmas market. And the Christmas market in Nice never fails. There's a lot of activity for the kids throughout the park. There's food everywhere. There is a French speciality everywhere. It's just an experience for you to visit the Christmas market here in Nice. If you're ever in France, it's a whole vibe. Look at them. Sarah is there. Tyler is here. Look at them. Ooh, come up. Ooh. day. We can't come Christmas market and no eat churros. Okay, all the Moroccan excitement happening in the city. There we go. All the horns and the fireworks and the flags and all the Moroccans leading towards the promenade with their flag. Look at them in crowd. Okay, we're having ketchup.
Avec des frites.
We're having dinner. We're picking up dinner to go home to watch the match. So I'm having this. Yummy. Baby's having kebab. Tyler is having panini. There's no picture of panini, so having this. And baby's having kebab frit, and Sarah's having hot dog fries. Jump, Sarah, jump! Hear my phone, I go beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Hey, go, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Who win? France win, France win. Who win? France win, France. My nervousness calm down now. Oh, your nerves, babe, so your nerves stay.
That was hard.
Oh, your nerves stay.
That was a hard game. Hey guys.
To the winning team.
To my British friend.
Hi, British friend.
Two
I
more.
just found my cousin laughing.
2 more to go. 2 more to go. We can't stop now.
Can't stop now.
Can't stop now.
Let's go back to that finals like 2018.
Can't stop
Come
now.
on. Let's bring home that trophy like 2018. Can do it. Anyway, you guys, it was a long, fun-filled, well-spent day.
We did a lot of things. We're happy, and when the day is just full like this, you're just happy. You just say, yes, I did things. So the part was great. I really
The
had
kids had
fun.
fun.
Oh yeah, it
I
was
had fun.
short. But in the same time, it was short. Like it was almost 20.
It was a
25
good enough
minutes.
time.
It was good.
Especially for the kids.
Oh,
It
yeah,
was
it
enough
was
time to
good.
see all of it.
Had fun. It was a success. Honestly, it was a success. I think they will do it every year now.
It was.
So,
And a lot of people turned out to see.
yeah, it was a success and everything went well. Christmas market always a
Was
success. Always a
The
success.
food in Christmas market looks so delicious, but the lines at each stall, honey
The waffle
child.
was looking. I wanted to. Also, I was thinking.
The waffle looked good too. I wanted it.
Should I get a cut? And I said, nah, where's this from the cut? Just take the churros is enough.
I wanted the waffle. The waffle looked fresh
The
and
waffle
nice,
was
and it
looking
smelled.
so good.
I didn't eat as much at Christmas market this year than I did the following year
The
because
soccer was
the
good.
line.
Oh yeah, the line was, but
The
it's
lines.
Saturday.
We
and
normally
it's-
go Christmas market on a Saturday.
I don't know. Remember last year also went on a Friday.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Saturdays. The
think we always
the first
go on
No, it's not the
Saturdays.
first Saturday. It's the second Saturday.
It was full.
So no, it's full. And people they were in town for the games.
The
and
town is a mess.
So yeah. So we had food there. We come back home and France won. That was on point out. That was a stressful game. My God, I don't remember myself being so nervous during the game since. And I'm just watching. So
At 8 minutes overtime, baby's like, honey child, I can't do this. I've been nervous a long time. You guys know that my nervousness are right. I'm nervous before the game starts. Anyway, enough of for rambling. What's that written?
the lions, the 3 lions.
Oh,
That's the lions.
the British.
Well, tomorrow haircuts. I'm gonna put our friends.
Yeah, get the French flag in it for you.
Yeah.
Can put Le Bleu in the back.
Allez, les bleus. And I go Monday at 12 with a French jersey.
Anyway, you guys, this man too funny. Give this video a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little bits and pieces that we had to show you guys today, and tomorrow you don't want to miss, because it's going to be another amazing day to share with you guys. So comment down
Thumbs
below,
up.
subscribe if you don't do that, and catch up and keep up.
Thumbs
And
up
we'll
is
see.
already up. No, bad joke. Bad joke.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a bad joke on you. This madman, you're a fool.